Israel is counting the cost of a huge snowstorm of biblical proportions which brought snow to the whole country. The weather caused traffic disruptions and power outages, floods in the south, a brief closure of Tel Aviv International Airport, and a measure of excitement among the nation's many snow lovers. Thousands of people in and around Jerusalem were left without power, and relief services supported by the Israeli army had to come to the aid of hundreds of motorists trapped in their vehicles, some for up to 10 hours. But there were casualties. One man died after falling off a roof while attempting to repair a leak, and a baby died in a fire caused by an electric heater. The storm is expected to ease off at the weekend.